Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a healthy drink for you. We're making golden milk. Have you heard of that one? Well, it's made with ground turmeric and some fresh ginger. Now, if you're familiar with turmeric, you know that it has just a boatload of anti-inflammatory properties. Super healthy for us, guys. I think you're going to enjoy this. It's a delicious drink. I drink it every night right before I go to bed, and it really helps me to sleep and relaxes me. I think you're going to love this, guys. So I'm Rockin' Robin, and I'm going to show you how to make it right after this. I am not a doctor, and I want to just encourage Anthony and anybody else who has some serious health issues and you're on medication to consult your doctor first before, making golden milk, just to make sure that it's right for you and your situation, okay? So now let's go over those ingredients. All right, so here's our ingredients. I have 1 cup of almond milk. You could use any milk you like, whether it be coconut or even, just cow milk, that's fine. We have some freshly sliced ginger here. I just sliced it up nice and thin so that I could get a nice surface area, because I'm just gonna put that in the milk and let it simmer. Now I'm using turmeric, I'm using organic. I'm trying to use the best ingredients that I can get, guys. You want to use some pepper because that helps to enhance the absorption of the turmeric by like 2,000%, so you definitely want to put that in there. And I'm using some butter here for a little fat for the same reason. You could use coconut oil if you like, or even olive oil, but just make sure you add a little bit of some sort of fat to your milk. I like cinnamon, so I'm using cinnamon here. In fact, it's my favorite spice, so I add quite a bit of that. I'll need some sort of sweetener. I like to use honey. You could use stevia, or any kind of sweetener that you like. Anything will work. I have some quite a discussion going on over a previous video where I'm making cookies, chocolate chip cookies without flour, and I'm adding honey to the recipe, and there's been quite a discussion over there about if you heat up your honey in baking or cooking, that it makes it toxic. And so, guys, if you want to check out that discussion and jump in on that, I'll leave a link for you in the description of this video, and you can go check that out. I personally, tried to add my honey when my liquid here in this drink has cooled down quite a bit, so I'm not going to destroy the enzymes and the healthful properties of the honey. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, now we're going to get started and put this together. All right, guys, so one word of caution here. I'm going to add the turmeric to my pot here, and I'm going to add 1 heaping teaspoon. Make sure that you're really careful. Turmeric stains like crazy. So you see I have a paper towel here, and I'm just going to set my spoon on that. Here's my cinnamon. I'm going to add a little more just because, like I told you, I love the stuff. In goes the ginger and the pepper. I'm just going to crack some of this in here. Something like that. I'm going to take this over to the stove and we're going to heat it up. I'm going to put the flame on, I'm going to put it on low, medium low. And we're going to stir this up, get everything to combine, and I'll just tell you a few of the benefits of turmeric. Now, according to the Huffington Post, it may help alleviate heartburn and indigestion. It might ward off heart attacks, delay diabetes. There have been a lot of studies done on rats as well, where turmeric, might help with brain health, might help prevent depression. It's showing promise with Alzheimer's patients and improving their memory. It can help with joint pain and arthritis. But like I gave a warning before, if you're on medications and things like that, turmeric may slow blood clotting, so there are some things to watch out for. And like I said, let me say it again, please consult your doctor just to be on the safe side. Once your golden milk is nice and hot, you can either pour it through a strainer. I'm just going to take the ginger out and just place it on my plate here. Now I'm going to add the butter. All right, so my last addition now is the honey. My tea is cooled down, my milk is cooled down a bit, and I like to add my honey now. All right, let me give this a taste. Such a wonderful flavor, guys. It's earthy, it's obviously warm. It's got a little sweetness to it. The cinnamon comes through, which I love. There's a little bit of heat to it with the pepper and the ginger. I think you guys ought to try this. I think you're gonna enjoy it. It's gonna give you some health benefits, and don't forget to check with your doctor. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this, or any future recipe requests, leave them down below in the comments. I always love hearing from you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do that by clicking. There's a button up on the screen and there's one below the video. So thanks again for watching, everybody. Enjoy your golden milk, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.